Imagine ruining a $200 woodworking project just because one tiny measurement was off by 1 millimeter. You're ready for the big reveal, only to realize the pieces don't fit, the joints are crooked, and your masterpiece is now just expensive firewood. I've been there. The frustration is real. Most of the time, it's not even your fault. It's the tools. Cheap rulers, worn chisels, and guesswork have cost us all. But what if you could fix all that instantly? Today, you'll discover 7 genius woodworking tools on Amazon, under $50 that solve these problems for good. Let's dive in. The silent killer of every woodworking project, invisible measurement errors. You think you're being precise, but that old tape measure just isn't cutting it. Everything looks straight until the final assembly. Suddenly, nothing fits. I once spent hours on a coffee table, only to find the legs were uneven by 1 millimeter. The whole thing wobbled. Enter the digital caliper. With a digital readout down to 1/100th of a millimeter, it takes the guesswork out of measuring wood thickness, dowel diameters, and even the depth of cuts. Slide it, and bam! Exact numbers, every time. No more squinting, no more close enough. You'll notice your confidence grow as you cut wood with the precision of a machinist. A digital caliper isn't just a measuring tool, it's a trust-building tool. Those small errors that used to slip through, gone. It's amazing how such a simple device can transform your builds. Pros use these for quick tool checks, hardware sizing, and calibrating other tools. It's like having a second pair of superhuman eyes in the shop. And with most models under $30, it's a no-brainer. Double-check everything in seconds. No more expensive oops moments. Ready for more control and finesse? Let's move on. Next up, a tool that's all about hands-on precision. Power tools are great, but sometimes you need finesse. That's why master woodworkers always keep a set of chisels within reach. Power tools can be fast, but they're not always precise. One slip can ruin an edge. A quality chisel set gives you razor-sharp control. Shave off a hair's width. Clean up joints, or carve delicate details. It's the difference between homemade and high-end. Pros use chisels to fix mistakes. Overcut a mortise, chisel it square. Need to tweak a tenon, chisel it smooth. The connection between your hand and the wood is almost meditative. With a sharp chisel, the work becomes effortless. Even beginners see instant improvement. Great sets are under $40 and built to last. Just keep them sharp. A dull chisel is a dangerous chisel. When you finish a project and every joint is crisp, that's the power of precision. Next time you're tempted to grab a power tool for a small job, try a chisel instead. You might surprise yourself with the results and how much more fun woodworking becomes. Precision is in your hands. Let's move to the next tool for flawless joints. Goodbye, crooked joints. Nothing says rookie like a wobbly, crooked joint. Maybe you drilled by hand, maybe you eyeballed the alignment. Disaster. Enter the Doweling Jig. This device locks onto your workpiece and guides your drill bit so every dowel hole is perfectly straight. No more guesswork, just flawless, professional joints that snap together like puzzle pieces. Even beginners will see their projects look instantly more advanced. The jig takes human error out of the equation. I once rebuilt a wobbly chair using a Doweling Jig. The difference was night and day. The new joints were so tight I barely needed glue. If you want to impress your friends or just feel proud of your work, this is the tool, and it's almost always under $25. For joints that last, grab a Doweling Jig. Your furniture and your pride will thank you. Ready for perfect angles? Let's talk about the next tool. 1 degree of perfection. In woodworking, even a single degree off can ruin a miter or a corner. If you've ever finished a piece only to find the edges don't meet, you know the pain. That's why professionals trust digital angle finders. Open the arms, lock them in place, and read the exact angle on a digital display. No more eyeballing or hoping the protractor is right. Real numbers, real accuracy. I've seen entire shelves ruined by being off just 1 degree. The beauty of a digital angle finder is how fast and easy it is to use. You'll find yourself double-checking everything. Saw blade angles, miter box settings, even tool calibration. It pays for itself the first time you avoid a ruined project. And yes, these are under $30. For anything with angles, think digital. Your corners will thank you. Visible screws and nails make even the best projects look cheap. That's where the Pocket Hole Jig Kit comes in. This tool lets you create strong hidden joints that look sleek and professional. Clamp the jig, drill at the perfect angle, and drive your screw into the hidden pocket. Suddenly, your furniture is held together with invisible strength. No putty, no cover-up, just pure craftsmanship. The joints are actually stronger than traditional butt joints. Even if you're rushing, the jig keeps every screw perfectly positioned. For under $40, it's one of the best values in woodworking. Hide your screws and let your skills shine. Now, let's talk about the cleanest cut you'll ever make. Most of us start with a Western-style push saw, but they can tear up your wood and take a ton of effort. Enter the Japanese pull saw, an ancient tool with a modern edge. Instead of pushing, you pull, giving you cleaner, thinner cuts with less muscle. The blade stays in tension so it doesn't wobble or bind. Laser straight cuts, almost zero tear out. Even tricky cuts, like dovetails or flush trimming, are suddenly a breeze. The difference is immediate: smoother surface, less sanding, more control. The blades are so thin, you lose less material with every cut. Pros love the pole saw for its precision and versatility. Works on hardwood, softwood, even plastic or laminate. High-quality versions are under $40. Wanna up your woodworking game? Try a Japanese pole saw. The last tool is my absolute favorite, the contour gauge. Woodworking is full of odd shapes, curves, and corners that never match up. The contour gauge is like magic. Press it against any shape, and the pins slide to copy the exact outline. Instantly, you have a perfect template to trace onto your wood. No math, no mistakes, just pure accuracy. I once needed to cut a baseboard around uneven trim. Normally an hour of trial and error, but with the contour gauge, done in a minute, it's the ultimate time saver and makes your work look professional every time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll use this tool on almost every project. It's under $20 and worth every penny. For perfect fits and flawless finishes, the contour gauge is a must-have. Let's wrap up. These are the 7 genius woodworking tools professionals use every day, all under $50. All linked in the description so you can upgrade your toolkit instantly. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a weekend hobbyist, these tools help you avoid classic mistakes and make every project next level. If you grab one, come back and share your experience in the comments. Your next project deserves perfection, and we're here to help you get there. Remember, smart builders don't work harder, they work smarter. See you in the next video.